Welcome to part 3 of our Cookie Rookie training. We're going to talk about Smart Cookies for Troops. Smart Cookies for Troops is the web-based tool we use to manage the cookie program. You do need to have a login and a password that you'll set up when you receive a registration email. Those emails are being sent to Troops the week of November 23rd. If you didn't get an email, please email cookies@gsksmo with your name, your troop number, and your role. Are you the troop cookie manager? Are you the troop leader? Or both? If you have multiple people that you're emailing about, please be clear who the main contact is for the troop. The list that we have to send emails to and how we know who to send cookiegrams to are when your registration includes the fact that you're the troop cookie manager or the troop leader. To make sure you're designated as the troop cookie manager, here are the steps that you need to follow. Go to our website, gsksmo.org, and click My GS. Then sign in and make sure Troop Cookie Manager or Troop Leader is part of your profile. Please note that until early December, this system is not available, so you may want to use Contact Us right above the My GS designation to reach out to our customer care team for assistance with this. You'll use Smart Cookies to order cookies throughout the entire program, both the first order that we call the initial order and any reorders. Those are called planned orders. You'll track girl payments and inventory, and you'll order recognitions. Your initial order is just the first order you'll place in January. You can collect orders from girls using the worksheet, which I'll show you in just a second. Those orders for the initial order must be entered by 11:59 p.m. on January 15th, and we suggest that you order enough to get you through Valentine's Day. This worksheet is available on our website under Cookies Plus for Troops, Forms and Resources. You can either print it out and hand it out, or you can copy the link and email it to each of your families. In turn, they fill it out and return it to you. What this helps with is two things. One, you won't be adding up column after column of cookie orders. Parents will typically turn that order form in without the amounts added up. This is going to save you a ton of time. The other thing that it does is it allows the cookie form to never lose the parent's hands. So even if you return it to them and they lose it, perhaps they forget that you've returned it to them and then in turn blame you for losing it. If it's never left their hands, they can't blame you. We used this for the first time last year to rave reviews, and some troops even told us that they used it throughout the program, not just for the initial order. The orders that are placed in the initial order are picked up in February. Your service unit product program manager will let you know when and where to come. Make sure that you have enough help and enough space in your car for your entire order. You cannot leave cookies behind and make several trips. Please make sure that you can pick them up all at once. When you pick up your cookies, if you find that there are any damages or problems, if you're at the delivery site and you can address with your service unit PPM right there, go ahead. If not, they'll give you direction on either to visit their cupboard or to visit our cupboard. What's a cupboard? Every troop is assigned to a cookie cupboard. Cookie cupboards are where you get more cookies. When you need more cookies, you place a planned order in Smart Cookies. Those orders are due by 9 p.m. on Sunday night. The first Sunday is February 14th. Some cupboards are run by volunteers in their personal home, so don't be surprised if you drive up to a house. You'll know where your cupboard is when you place a planned order. If you need the cupboard before that, please reach out to your service unit PPM and they can give you some direction. Here are some general Smart Cookies tips. The preferred browser is Chrome. There are some old variations of Internet Explorer that Smart Cookies does not work on, but in general it should work on pretty much every browser. Always refresh the dashboard when you log in. I'll show you that in just a second. When you do log in, feel free to look around you can't hurt anything. We will upload the girls on December 14th of 2020, so please do not manually add your girls. That has to do with the data merge that's happening with GSUSA, and we want to make sure we bring up the most recent and cleanest data. And please keep in mind that registered for Smart Cookies and registered for Girl Scouts are not the same thing. All girls participating in Girl Scouts and the cookie program should be registered for Girl Scouts. Registering for Smart Cookies is an option for each family member. When you log into Smart Cookies, you're going to see the words Troop Dashboard in the middle about a third of the way down. Right above that in tiny letters are the last time the Troop Dashboard was refreshed. When you log in, it does not automatically refresh, so you want to click that little symbol and let it refresh. A pop-up box will appear. If it's in green letters, it means it was successful. If it's in red letters, it means there was an error and you should try it again. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for the numbers on Smart Cookie to refresh. That might be one of the reasons that you might then panic. And we want to discuss the first rule of cookies. It doesn't matter what you're doing, don't panic. If you have any questions or problems, please reach out. Please don't spend minutes of your precious time trying to do something over and over again if it's not working. If you've tried it once, try it a second time. If it doesn't work the second time, reach out to your PPM or reach out to us at Cookies at GSKSMO. You'll know how to do all of the steps for the cookie program in Smart Cookies by using the information that we send to you. We will have how-to worksheets available online, and they're in the second half of the Troop Cookie Handbook. You can find the Troop Cookie Handbook in the same section where you're accessing this training. Cookiegrams will be sent before an action is needed with that just-in-time training that includes video and written. And keep in mind you can't hurt Smart Cookies. If you do something in it, if you can't fix it, I'm sure we can. Reach out to us and let us know. If you have any questions about Smart Cookies for Troops, the initial order process, or cookie cupboards, please email us at cookies@gskSMO.org. Thanks.